When 5 gram of calcium is burnt in 2 gram of oxygen, then 7 gram of calcium oxide is produced. What mass of calcium oxide will be produced when 5 gram of calcium is burnt in 20 gram of oxygen? Which law of chemical combination will govern your answer? जब 5 ग्राम कैल्शियम 2 ग्राम ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करता है, then we get 7 gram of calcium oxide. Again, in the second case, the amount of calcium is same, that is 5 gram, but amount of oxygen is 20 gram. But again, 5 gram of calcium will always combine with 2 gram of oxygen, and amount of calcium oxide formed will be 7 gram. And this is according to the law of constant proportions. Means a compound will always have the same elements combined together in the same proportion by mass. For example, अगर H2O ले लेते हैं तो H2O में हाइड्रोजन का वेट है 2 ग्राम एंड ऑक्सीजन का वेट है 16 ग्राम. So 2 gram of hydrogen will always combine with 16 gram of oxygen to form water. और इसका जो रेशियो हो गया वो हो गया 2:16 एंड सिंपल रेशियो हो गया 1:8. So this ratio will always be maintained in H2O. So whatever is the source of water, the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen by mass will always be 1:8.